Do you start your seeds indoors and veg them for a little while and then transfer to outdoors, or are you planting directly outdoors?
So for indoor, what I'll do is I'll start in a solo cup. I'll use Pro Mix and I will start it in the tent till they have about their first set of leaves. Then I'll transfer them to the secondary location where the outdoors go.
So that hardening off process, right? I assume you're not just taking them from the indoors and then putting them into outdoors, direct sunlight, and just leaving them like that, right? There's a hardening off period so they don't die.
Yeah.
Can you talk to us about that period? Like, how do you do that transition?
So when they do go to the second location, they are put in the garage and I do put them on the windowsill. So they do get a little bit used to hardening off. And then once they're a little bit bigger, I do bring them outside. So I'll put them in the shade for most of the day, and then I'll put them in the sun for a couple hours, let them get used to the weather and the change of lights. Because you go from an LED to the sun, which is a big difference.
So you're starting off like day one, they're doing maybe 2 hours direct sunlight, and then you're kind of gradually ramping up day by day. When are they getting like full sun?
Once I transplant plant them from the solo cup into the bigger cup, so they're decent size when I transfer them into their forever home, then they get full sun all day long.
And then full sun, are we talking 10 hours? Are we talking 12 hours?
So depending the month, usually we'll say from 6 a.m. till about 9:30 p.m.
Okay. And then the entire time they have sun on them, or is there some like shade?
No direct sunlight.
Okay. Now, are you in containers or are you planting them in ground?
I actually use plastic containers, plastic pots. They could be anywhere from 25 gallons to 10 gallons, depending how many I'm doing. If I ran out of the 25 gallons, then I'll do the 10 gallons. Usually I'll put the clones in the 10 gallon and I'll put the seedlings in the bigger pots.
This clip was brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrowIt15 to save on any of their gardening products.